Right, welcome to part 3 of the little country station. Now, this is the longer, more involved version with all the bits and pieces of how we got from A to B. And if you'd like to watch that, great. If you want to watch the abridged version, which will be about a minute long, for all of you who like to skip forward in the videos, check out the short version, and it's just right next to this one. Getting some people and details added now. Wiring. It's, you know, it's something you've just got to be in the right frame of mind to do. And today's the day. It's wet and drizzly outside. So I thought, well, I'll get on with wiring this new little country station up so that it can be operated. The wonderful thing about this hobby is that it doesn't matter what you're in the mood for, there's always something you can go on with. Wiring. There's a little terminal block there and attached up underneath the layout, ready to put the other little leaders off onto the little switchboard that will control this little section. Right, being a die-hard DC guy, I've got all these little switches soldered up now and connected to the various track block wires for our little station, and all these switches are going to be mounted in this. So got hold of an old piece of sign plate, which is just the right sort of thickness for a little control board, and got our little track plan of our station on there. Used pinstriping vinyl for the tracks, drilled little holes, you can see them or not, that one you can see, drilled little holes for the switches to go into that correspond to their respective little track blocks. This hole here will be to be able to switch the power from main control to local. and all the others are on and off. So we're progressing along with a bit of details, and on the other side platform, I've got my little backdrop there painted blue, trying to make it look half realistic. I've put some foliage across there and made the platform look pretty derelict, because I've decided it's going to be an unused platform now, where they no longer use it for passenger services, and all passenger services will arrive and depart from this side platform 1 if you will. So that's the general idea there. Made this little switchboard up to control the country station lines, all with little switches in the right spot. Hopefully we'll get all that wired up and finished and give her a test run. Right, I've got some preliminary paint on the old ruins. Got a little guardrail fence there, I don't know whether you can see that. Put up there to stop people getting up on the disused platform. Got a bit of paint in the corner. But we're getting there. Seems to be a train there waiting to go as well. Kids looking up the engine.